Hey Jack, you want to show Aunt Sarah how you crawl? Say, no, right now I'm standing. We're at the bookstore. Oh, Jack. Do you want to go to your favorite spot? To the door? Want to go play with the door? Yes. I love the door. Aunt Sarah said she didn't get to see you crawl yet, or whatever this is. Go, monkey, go! Jack. Hey, Jack. Jack. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to my favorite spot, Mom, obviously. First, let me scratch the floor a little. Wait, that's not your favorite spot. Oh, yes, it is. Where are you going? This is what I love to do at the bookstore. This is what I was talking about, Sarah. It's like totally dangerous because the door could like push open. What are you doing? But there's cars going by. Yeah. Sitting is no fun. Sitting is no fun. Cars. I don't want you opening the door, sweetie, with your strong banging. No. Yeah? Do you see cars out there? Do you see cars out there? Cars. You are so crazy. Gonna make your way across? Yeah, go ahead. What are you doing? You want to say hi to Aunt Sarah? Jack. No, that's very dangerous. That's not even, like, put there. Say, hi, Aunt Sarah. No, don't touch that. No. That one's going to make you fall on the ground. Okay? You can't touch this one until I fix it. Okay? It's, like, all messed up. I don't even know how to fix it. There. It's a little bit more sturdy. Look what you did to the door. Disgusting, Jack. You gotta be careful. Whoa. Hey, where do you think you're going? Hey, let me out. I'm trapped. I want to run free in the street with all the cars. Yeah, that's just silly, right? You wouldn't do that. No. Jack. Jack. Oh, what are you doing? It's kind of cold, huh? Okay, I will spare you the next 30 minutes of him standing here.